your eyes, you can't let them see a thug cry. You looking in the thug eyes. It's a funeral, let the doves fly. This is when the thug cry.
Okay, welcome everyone. This is After Hours podcast episode 1, the pilot episode, and I have my friend Vats Kapoor, जिसका अपना नाम Lucifer Morning Star रखा है. By the way, Vats is my closest friends in the whole world, and he is one of my oldest friends. कितने साल हो गए भाई?
Like we met in what 6th or 7th grade.
6th और 7th में मिले थे. भाई सोच सकता है तू 6th 7th में क्या बच्चे से थे. बट अभी ये सब बातें तो चलती रहेंगी. Why are we here, Vats? Like मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि इस वीडियो का टाइटल क्या डालूं कि Why did Apple not release the new iPhone और like कहाँ गया iPhone या फिर वो टेक चैनल जो लाइक टेक चैनल्स जो होते जो थोड़े से मसाला डाल के क्या एप्पल ने चुराया, किसने चुराया नया आईफोन?
Or maybe like
Apple
some
के
fun
office
like,
से.
oh, did you check out the latest iPhones? Oh, sorry, bye. They never released them.
अरे, first thing about this podcast, first rule about this podcast is that this is going to have a very chill vibe. This is after hours.
Yeah.
This is not your we are working right now. We are chilling, right? Where are you chilling right
Exactly.
now? Indore.
Ah,
Yeah, he is connecting with us from Indore. So that is the thing. And actually the thing was कि मैंने तो कल मेरे friend का birthday था, so I was busy with my friend's birthday. And suddenly I realized कि वो यार I have to attend the Apple Live thing. I attend it every year and the new iPhone has to launch. So of course I tuned in. And this time I did not go to the Apple website. Let me tell you that. I went to the YouTube channel. Now they have started to like show their like have their live shows on YouTube. So I was watching it on YouTube and the opening was like so amazing. Like graphics are coming and then there is the Apple headquarters. And then Tim Cook walks over and I'm like, oh yeah, this is something, Okay. Like the production quality of those videos are like next level, man. ऐसा कभी
it
देखा
was
है किसी का
literally
प्रोडक्ट
like
लॉन्च ऐसा हो
Tim
रहा है?
Cook has come, and this time we'll be finally seeing the new iPhones. Like rumors
Yeah.
just go to him. This
The
guy is
way-
gonna show
the
us some
way-
iPhones.
The way they like shoot the video and like have the graphics and all, you're like, oh my god, what am I watching? Am I watching a movie or something? The way you remember that opening, right? You remember those animations?
Exactly,
coming up, right? The new logo and
I remember
everything.
that loading
Like,
screen and stuff. Like even at the time of WWDC this time.
and I think they are unmatched. They're literally unmatched in this thing. Like no one does it better than them in presentations. I'm saying, like nobody can market their products as well as them. So okay, the event opens up. Tim Cook's come, and obviously the first thing they always talk about is the Apple Watch. Like they're so proud of that thing.
Yeah, sure.
We cannot, and I just don't get the craze of Apple Watch. Why do you have to release an Apple Watch every year?
Like for some reason, this time around when they showcased the Apple Watch Series 6, it was felt like more of a bragging than ECG and SpO2 stuff, which Samsung already has with their Galaxy Watch Active 2.
The thing was, see, when I was young and I used to watch these things, so I was very, caught up with these things. Wow, इसमें ये है, wow, इसमें ये है. Sorry, but at that time they used to do something revolutionary also. That the last good feature that I got to know about Apple Watch was that it can report if there is any irregularity in your pulses and it can call the ambulance by that. So that was a very good feature that I don't think so a lot of smartwatches have. This is something I don't know if you have noticed this, but yesterday there was a lot of chatter about this on YouTube. On Twitter also. Can you see this? Can you see my screen?
They're like, yeah, I can see the images.
So they did something like that ki if you click the like button on the tweet, it will come on that animation, like this heart animation will come. And that's what's happening on Twitter.
Yeah.
See, everyone is sharing about it. Were you aware of this? Like, did you know?
No, to be honest, no, like I was not aware about this.
again, Apple is genius with their branding. I have to say this.
Yeah, seriously.
And मैं curious हूँ, like I'm curious about how much like did Apple pay to Twitter for this thing. For that, you know, I'm just curious, like, you just have this one event of 1 hour and you wanted this feature to be turned down for that.
Plus, it had no iPhones in it.
Yeah, that's the thing. And like, how much was that paycheck to Twitter? Because that has to be some serious money, bro.
The most amazing part was like the A14 chip came in first for iPad, not for iPhones.
Yeah, this has never happened before that, iPhone II nahi. But then there is one more thing that came out, the Apple One service.
Yeah, for like the individual like $15 per month, and for family it's like $20 per month.
Yeah, like, do you think in India people are going to get Apple One?
Well, if we gonna like convert this directly, it's gonna be about like $1,500 per month.
I don't think it's $1,500, but it's like somewhere close to that cost. Apple One subscription. Let me see.
Because like if that happens, then it's gonna be like very expensive.
It is saying that it will be from like, $195 per month. Would you take it?
$195, then it's fine.
It's fine. There you are getting Apple Music, you are getting Apple TV Plus, you are getting Apple Arcade. So I think so they are working on their own gaming platform now. iPhone 12 was said to be manufacturing here, I guess, right?
Plus, yeah, right. Like the iPhone 11 and the SE 2020 was said like last month only to be assembled in India in the Chennai plant.
Why don't you tell us your impressions on iPhone SE? Like you went and he actually went in this time of day. He actually went and checked out the iPhone SE. Can you guys believe that? Why did you check it out and what? Like describe like. What day it was, why was that day special to you, and why did you decide to spend your special day on going and checking out the iPhone SE?
Yeah, actually it was like I had a day off, so it's been a while. Like I haven't checked out any smartphone by then. No. It was before my birthday.
Day before your birthday?
Yeah, like a day or two before my birthday, I just went to the Apple store and checked out the AC 2020.
Awesome. So, what were your impressions?
No, bro, it's not that awesome to be honest.
India में एक परंपरा है, वो हर iPhone के साथ आता है. So, there is someone I know, and I think so Vats also knows him. वो हमारे पास से ही है. But for like anonymous reasons, I will call him Prem Chopra. This Prem Chopra guy always had the newest iPhones. I think what samajh raha hai.
Oh, I remember that guy.
See guys, there is a reason why Vats is here and not everyone is here. So this Prem Chopra की तरह इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोग एप्पल के फैंस हैं और जब भी नया आईफोन आता है तो एक परंपरा होती है कि ये प्रेम चोपड़ा वाले लोग अपने डैडी के पास जाते हैं, वही डैडी जो ऑलरेडी एक किडनी बेच चुके होते हैं पिछला आईफोन इनको खरीद के देने के लिए, एंड ही इज लाइक बेटा एक तो रहने दे, एक तो छोड़ दे.
He actually bought like all the colors of iPhone 5s, I believe.
Colors? Color किसने खरीदा?
Yeah, literally like I saw his space gray version is silver, and I guess like he had the gold one too.
I remember somebody was there who bought space gray, white, golden. But what's the biggest change this time was कि you were never on the Apple side and this is the first time you're on the Apple side. So I want to know कितने पैसे खिला Apple वालों ने तेरे को?
So I wish they had, but none, obviously.
like Vats was hardcore against Apple. He was not a fan of Apple. But I don't know कब से, but like I'm starting to observe he's like advocates for the MacBook. He's advocating for the iPhones, and I'm like,
Yeah, like actually, last year I actually wanted to have an iPhone, but then the market was having iPhone 8 for my budget.
okay.
To be honest, that phone is
But
not really that powerful
मेरे
enough.
को शक ये हुआ तेरे पे कि तेरे को या तो एप्पल के प्लेसमेंट मिलने वाली है, इसलिए तू शांत हो गया या एप्पल वालों ने तेरे को कॉल करा कि भाई वत्स भाई सुनो, चुपचाप से हमारे बारे में अच्छा बोलना शुरू करो वरना तुम्हारा बहुत बुरा कर देंगे.
पहले होता क्या था? Actually, पहले होता क्या था कि like when we used to went over the places and check out the devices. जब से हमने उन्हें like individually check out करना चालू किया तो like stuff changes. Like when you have a hands-on experience on every device.
Apple's event, which was the iPad Air. तो भाई, let me share the screen. Let us show the viewers the iPad.
So like, to be honest, if I say about the iPad Air, it's like except the price for India, it's a very wonderful device to be honest, because they actually redesigned the whole structure, made it they took out the whole chassis from the iPad Pro and bring it to the iPad Air, plus stereo speakers. It has stereo speakers, a good laminated display. So yeah, like it's a nice device to be honest.
Yeah, I agree about the display
like
and the Touch ID, but I have one
the side-mounted Touch ID
with Apple. Why are you guys going with USB-C now? You had years of Lightning port. You are advocating, and like if this iPad Air is also having the USB-C connection, then what all is? Where are we going to see it next? See, that time it was iPad Air was the next big thing. Like the way they advertised it, it was like, and it had that performance. Like earlier, like when I was, if I want, I can still play games, but it is a little bit slow. I will not say it's drastically slow, but it is little bit slow. And I think so iPad Air came at the year of 2013. So if it is from 2013 to 2020, and I'm saying that it is little
it might not even have the A10 fan, like A10 Fusion.
No. But still, I will say that the battery life is still great. The performance is still up there. It has not changed even a little bit. And I will say that, see, if you look at it as a media consumption device, then it is still pretty good. That is something about Apple.
Yeah, even like they have actually updated their iPads for quite a bit. Like even the base vanilla iPad has stereo speakers now. So definitely they're actually looking for the media consumption and stuff like that.
I cannot criticize Apple on the build quality or the quality of the overall device and the OS because it just works. It is not easy to kill the device. With Android, it does happen at one time that the Android, the evolution of Android is in such a way that one day the phone is gonna go obsolete. You can obviously run this for many years, but one day it is gonna go obsolete.
Plus, the Android updates we get on Google is way too good. Like the maximum a device can achieve is like 3 years. And recently, Samsung has agreed to like give 3 years. Like S10 is the device range starting from which they are actually providing 3 years of firmware updates.
But I think so. There is a reason why manufacturers are not providing like more than 2 years or more than 3 years. It is because that they just don't know that where is Android gonna go next. Because like this is not a very direct thing. No? Like Apple knows that the OS they are gonna make for the next 3 years, so they know their device has to have that lifetime to support it. By the way, let's come back to the main thing. Like, why do you think like there was no iPhone this time, and will there be an iPhone before the end of this time?
Well, bro, after they had the display issue, the iPhones at the launch, we can expect iPhones this year, lately, maybe in the fall 2020, but nobody can say like at what time.
So we are expecting for a 2021 release, right?
Maybe. Like, I'm
this
not
is the
particularly
first
sure it's going to be
iPhone.
2021.
So this iPhone 11 is gonna be the first iPhone that will be the one that is going to be there for 2 years, not just 1 year, but 2 years almost. The
But then I don't know,
flagship
like,
of-
still, they have the dummy models ready and given to the YouTubers. So I believe they have the prototype working.
Of course,
stable
they have that
with them.
prototype working, but they definitely, due to I think so the current situation globally, they don't have that manufacturing ready. That's the thing.
Yeah,
That's
like
why they are not announcing.
earlier
it.
they had the issue with the display. Like they didn't have enough amount of displays for the
But
iPhones.
like still, obviously, I still wonder that maybe it will be late December when we will be seeing the new iPhone 12, and that iPhone 12 will be very interesting because it is going to be made in
Yeah.
India. So if it's going to be made in
Exactly.
India,
Plus, it's not gonna be like 1, 2, or 3 devices. It's gonna be about like 4 to 5 devices at the same time.
okay, I didn't know that.
Like starting from the iPhone 12 5.4 inch, it's gonna be about like iPhone 12 Pro 6.7 inch.
6.7 inch.
Yeah, like 11 Pro Max are 6.5. They're gonna stretch it to 6.7.
3 minutes रह गए हैं तो बस I would like to just take this time to thank you so much. पता नहीं ये वीडियो है जब
But
finally
actually,
edit
thank
हो
you for
जाएगी तो
giving the
कैसी लगेगी
opportunity to be at your channel.
यार so something about Vats I would like to say before we end this is that Vats has been my longest friend. He has been one of the first supporters of my channel, you can say, क्योंकि एक टाइम था जब मेरे चैनल के लिए पॉजिटिव शब्द तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आते थे तो तब Vats मेरे साथ था and he was never there for the reason कि यार मेरे को भी तो अपने चैनल में ले, and in fact मैंने ही इसको जबरदस्ती इस बार लेकर आया हूँ. He once have mentioned it that I want to be on your videos, but
Yeah, like I would always love to be the part of something really
Yeah.
tech.
and आज like finally that alliance is happening, and one thing about friendships that I feel like I have learned from you especially is that of course दूरियां बढ़ जाती हैं, सबकी लाइफ डिफरेंट हो जाती है, बहुत चैलेंजिंग हेक्टिक हो जाता है मेंटेन करना, बट अगर वो लाइक वत्स की सबसे अच्छी बात आई फील लाइक ही ऑलवेज टेक्स्ट मी, लाइक कुछ भी नया होता है तो he will always text me, and trust me guys, when the new DC movie comes, when the Snyder footage releases, I'm guaranteeing कि ये बंदा and we are gonna be here, we are going to be on the channel, we're going to talk a lot about those movies. Am I right, Vats?
Indeed, man. Like I remember, like when the Snyder Cut came and the new DC Fandom trailers came out.
I really wish यार that is a missed opportunity to be honest. इतना सारा कंटेंट था, मैंने क्यों ये एप्पल इवेंट चूज करा. अगर वो डीसी का लॉन्च चूज करता ना, अभी हमारा 1 घंटे का तो आराम से बस यही डिस्कशन चलता है कि भाई ये ट्रेलर है. But in all seriousness,
Like it's gonna take about like 2 to 3 Zoom calls for us to even complete the whole stuff.
yeah, but in all honesty, what's like, how do you like feel like इतने टाइम हो गया, कैसे हम लोग like जुड़े हुए हैं अभी तक?
Yeah, I feel really great and I still hope like मेरी internship खत्म हो जाए and then we'll gonna meet soon.
But still, like lot of things have not changed. It doesn't feel like change, but honestly, although हमारी बातें थोड़ी कम हो गई, हम लोग थोड़ा टेक्स्ट में ज्यादा बात करते हैं, but that is our way of talking. I've now gotten used to it. You have gotten used to it, but still there is a connect. I know that whenever I'm going to see the new device, I'm going to talk to you. And guys, I have troubled this person so much for my laptop buying. Trust me, जिस दिन मैं लैपटॉप खरीदना है ना मेरे को, उस दिन इसका मैं वॉलपेपर लगाऊंगा as a like wall of honor. Because this guy, I've irritated this guy for 1.5 years. कि भाई
No,
मेरे best laptop
not exactly
मेरे best
irritated.
laptop.
Like I love to do that. I do this from my friends and family. Like all this
अच्छा
stuff related to tech and like consult people.
बाकी what would you like to tell the audience about yourself? मैंने तो बहुत बोल दिया.
As you described me, I'm one of your closest friends from school life. And like giving my own introduction, I'm also like a car geek, tech geek kind of a person. I'm pursuing my BTech automobile. I'm in the final year. I'm hoping to get a job in the field, obviously.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope Vats, yeah,
And
you
really
had-
want to have a copy or a part-time thingy for tech.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked Vats and me, and you like this podcast. I know बहुत ही ज़्यादा tech वाली चीज थी, but the tech audiences will definitely like this and enjoy this, I'm sure. And thank you so much, Vats, for coming to this
Thanks, man.
Zoom meeting and being so patient. And I will see you
It's
guys in
always
the
been
next
a pleasure,
episode
man.
of this podcast. This is just the first one, so जैसा भी हो, guys, I hope you like it. We will be working towards much better things. For now, this is bye from me and Vats.
Yeah.
And subscribe and share this with everyone. Bye bye.